In South Africa, right or wrong does not matter. In South Africa, doing the right thing does not matter. In South Africa, law and order does not matter. If we can look at the Provincial Police Commissioner of KwaZulu-Natal, General Mkhwanazi. General Mkhwanazi was hailed as a hero as he was attacking criminal syndicates and criminal activities in KwaZulu-Natal. He was using an iron fist to deal with criminals in KwaZulu-Natal. And the country was very impressed with that, to the point where General Mkhwanazi was trending all over social media for his crime-fighting efforts. But now, all of a sudden, we have the same General Mkhwanazi, now being chased by the IPID. He is now chased by the independent body that investigates the police. Suddenly now, General Mkhwanazi is the hunted when he became famous for being the hunter. Now you might ask yourself, why is General Mkhwanazi now suddenly the hunted? The answer is very simple. In this country, you will always be a darling as long as you are not affecting the interests of those that control the levers of the state. You will be hailed as a hero. You will be a darling. But as soon as you rattle the hornet's nest, the hornets will sting you. What I am saying here is that crime is something that you can fight, but not all crimes can be fought. Criminals can be chased, but not all criminals can be caught. There are people that are untouchable in this country. Once you go against them, you go from being a darling to being a villain.